Today, we're diving into the world of dark academia, that aesthetic that's all about the love for knowledge, literature, and a touch of mystery. If you're into old libraries, classic literature, and an overall scholarly vibe, then stick around because I'm going to show you how to nail that dark academia style. Intro to dark academia. First off, what is dark academia? Imagine you're in an old, ivy-covered university where the halls echo with the whispers of poets and philosophers from centuries past. It's a subculture that celebrates learning, Gothic architecture, and a moody, brooding atmosphere. Think Dead Poet Society meets modern-day fashion. Now let's break down the key elements of dark academia fashion. Color palette. Stick to earthy and muted tones. We're talking browns, blacks, dark greens, and grays. These colors give off that timeless, vintage vibe that's central to the aesthetic. Textures and fabrics. Wool, tweed, and herringbone are your go-to fabrics. They're not just stylish, they also give you that professorial look that's so iconic to dark academia. Layering. This is crucial, guys. Layering adds depth to your outfit. A button-up shirt under a sweater vest, topped with a blazer. That's the dark academia trifecta. Outfit ideas. Let's put together some outfits. The classic scholar. Start with a white button-up shirt, throw on a dark brown sweater vest, and finish with a tweed blazer. Pair it with some tailored trousers and lace-up boots. Don't forget your leather satchel. It's both practical and stylish. Accessorize with a simple pendant and maybe a beret if you're feeling extra artsy. The adventurous academic. Mix in some modern pieces like a dark turtleneck with a houndstooth coat. Add some dark jeans and Chelsea boots for a more casual yet still put-together look. Accessories. Accessories are the secret weapon of dark academia. Think leather-bound journals, vintage watches, and old-world jewelry like signet rings or a pocket watch. Glasses are also a staple. Whether you need them or not, a pair of round frames can really complete the look. Grooming. And guys, grooming matters. Keep it clean and classic. A well-maintained hairstyle and a bit of stubble can go a long way in adding to the dark academia charm. If you're into this aesthetic, give these tips a try and let me know how it goes. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more style guides.